What is up, everybody? My name is Fat Cat, and we're gonna see this fucking trade being put on, and I'm gonna show you the entire lead up, how I came up with the narration, the context of the trade, and how I ultimately executed it, and why I decided to pull it off where I did. In fact, this entire process happened in a mere 6 minutes and 22 seconds. Sometimes I just show up and trade for, well, fuck, 6.5 minutes today. Just so you know that I'm not posting my montage fucking win trades. This week has been a struggle. This is my statistics for the week, or my equity curve for the week. We're going to be looking at this last trade right here. As you can see, again, I've struggled substantially. There's obviously a bigger trade from yesterday, Thursday. I managed to pull $3,000 on a specific trade. If you want to see that, it's on my Coffee. You can subscribe to the Coffee, link in the description below. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and just play the footage, the raw footage of how I'm hunting the setup. You're gonna hear me narrating the trade, what I'm looking for, all on the hard right edge. So instead of me verbally talking about what's happening after the fact, you're gonna hear what I'm talking about during the session. And this is a narration from my Coffee. So this is what you get when you decide to subscribe to it.
So when we look at the highest of time frames, we're above this range. Again, this range is almost the entirety of the month. Monthly, back to the 30-minute, which we're going to expand the range to here. So we do have highest time frame mean advantage to the low side. 30-second chart. Obviously a huge reclaim and a retake of that reclaim, and now they're banging around. So rip up, rip down, bang around. So there's not enough stop runs to cook this up or down. Now there is a shitload of liquidity below us. What's interesting though is there's a naked reclaim off to the left that they haven't completely taken out, and we are compressing at this moment in time. Looking at our windows, I mean, it's very evident that on the 3-second we do have a range here. It's fucking compressing like hell. There is a lot of stops here, but there's also, to be fair, a fair share right up in this region. Go to the 3-second actually. So we know we're at the bottom of a range according to the 10. We know there's a shitload of stops, especially in this region. We know we are compressing. We know the window is open. The window is open, so we would be breaking out of a range, and I know statistically I seem to perform on range breaks decently well. Going back to the 10-second, I know that and we drifted. Now, we might mean revert back up. That very well could happen. The window just closed, so we're about to go out. I want to see how it reacts in this region. I'd like to see a bunch of stops get taken above us before we actually go down. Now, if we do go down and it's somewhat of a sharp move, there may be an entry. There's a lot of reclaim above us. Window is shut. Tick here. No. Now this may or may not rip. Up right here, that was an attempt at a stop run up. You have an 8-3 reclaim below us. That's probably accurate, and that's pretty substantial, actually. Claim in that region. You're only looking at hitting 70 even, which is low a day. Assuming they can do that. Pushing. Again, the window is closed and we are pushing a little bit lower. Question is she going to take a lot of this reclaim back? Is this creating stop runs? Probably. Probably taking... I like it when it rips up like this. Rips up. Just clearing inventory to get it to push down. Seems like buyers are stepping up a little bit. To get down there. Huge shove low. Which could shove us through this reclaim. One and done, baby. Let's pull that P&L. Let's pull that fucking P&L. That's what I wanted. That's what I fucking wanted. And guess what? The struggle bus has finally arrived at its destination, and that is sexy trading. Brilliant. Fucking amazing. Delicious trading.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and until the next time, I will see you guys later.